The first time that I talked to somebody about the roof, I knew that's who I was going to do business with. Hello, my name is Tim Johnson. I've got a ebony black standing seam metal roof on my house. Through many television ads, I always see your advertisements on television and then billboards. Well, there were many things. The lifetime warranty was very attractive to me. At my age, I'm build a retirement home, and I wanted something, and that lifetime warranty really stuck out to me. But then when I met the representative from Shield, that just sealed the deal for me. Yes, there were some options for me to be able to do financing, but I did not need any financing at this time. I just paid for it. In fact, I got a greater deal because I was able to pay for everything right out of pocket. So there was no financing needed for me. So I have recommended my roof to anybody that's interested. Many friends and family have came to see our house. The neighbors have all been inquiring, who I had do the roof, and I couldn't help but want to share my experience that I've had with Shield and how they helped me, not with just the roof of the house, but to bring the whole property together with changing the roof on my garage and the underhangs. There's so many things about the job that they helped me with that I didn't know what I really wanted completely until they gave me so many options, and it's exactly what I wanted, and we are so happy.
Shield Exteriors Roofing, protecting what matters most.